Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today I'll share rice cooker common problem. Some of the common problem. First common problem from my experience, there is the if no power. There is the thermal fuse. This is a small thermal fuse. You'll see the continuity. This is a thermal fuse, and a small rice cooker they are using this kind of thermal fuse. If it is good, you can see continuity. If it is bad, no continuity. This is the first common. And if no power, then this is the big rice cooker, big size. There is also thermal fuse. This is the thermal fuse. They always keep it by bend. This is the thermal fuse. They put it inside. You'll see it continuity. If it is continuity, then okay. If no continuity, you have changed it. This big rice cooker is 20 ampere, 15 ampere or 20 ampere, and if is small size, it's using 10 ampere. If no power, then main problem is the thermal fuse. Then second common problem is people say there is power but cannot cook. When they turn it, but it's not light indicator, it's not moving to the cook. If you see this problem, then that means it's problem the connector. Can you see? There is one connector. When they press it connector, that connector is not contacting properly. So we have to clean it by sandpaper. You take sandpaper and put inside, and you just brush it nicely. And this customer has given me this rice cooker. They said it's this problem is cannot cook. Then I have cleaned. Can you see this? See, this is the contact. I have cleaned. See, if I turn and close it. So this is the contact I have cleaned, so hopefully it will be okay. And here also same things inside. So, and some of the rice cooker they don't use this contact switch, they use like this on off switch. So when we push it for cook, it's turning on. If it is released, then off. So in that situation you can see the continuity. You push and you can see the continuity. If it is bad, then you have to change it. But if you see like this contact, like this switch, then you just clean by sandpaper, will be okay. But if you see this kind of switch, then you have to change it. This is the second common question. This is the second common problem. And third problem is rice cooker is not cooking properly. When you put rice in the rice cooker, it's not cooking properly. And sometimes it's cooking half, sometimes it's overcooking. So that means that is the problem is the sensor. This is the sensor. When it's will be cooked properly, then it should turn off automatically. This is the sensor. If you see it's rice cooker is not cooking properly, half cooking, then the problem is this sensor. So you have to change it, this sensor, this full set you have to remove from back side. This is the third question. And fourth of the common problem is if all are okay, if you see all are okay, no hot, then so your rice cooker is not hot, then you can check the heating element. Heating element should be continuity. See, they use the here double heating element. This is the one heating element, two terminal, and they use in the middle one heating element. So they use two heating element 1 and 2. Yeah, so you see its continuity here and continuity here. Yeah, so this is the common problem of the rice cooker. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.